What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying stock, another video where I talk about dividend payments because that's what I kind of talk about on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Starwood Property Trust. I'm getting my very first dividend payment from them, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So that's what we're going to talk about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing, first and foremost, I'm not a guru. I'm just an average person. I'm not going to pretend to give you guys great advice about what you should be investing in. That's not what this channel is about. This channel is about just sharing my journey and maybe helping you get started on investing. So a little bit about me. I started in the stock market, I think back in like 2016, lost about $4,500, got smacked around. I think I stopped around 2017. Then I started again in 2020, where at some point I was down negative almost 60,000. It was like 59,000 and some change. So anyway, I'm still at it. And so I'm just going to, I had to decide to find a different type of way to invest because I want to be successful. And people that don't quit normally find a way to be successful. When it comes to investing, it can be tricky because, of course, it's like, well, if you make, insanely horrible mistakes, you're probably going to run out of money and you're not going to keep wanting to throw money at something that doesn't work. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a dividend payment that I got with Starwood Property Trust. Now, this is my very first dividend payment and I'm really, really excited. As a matter of fact, for the majority of the stocks, actually all the stocks that I own right now, I'm actually up on every single stock. However, the problem was I was trying to day trade in the past, so overall I'm still pretty down. And I'll show you guys that real quickly on the screen. So as you guys can see here, as of today, the market's still open right now, and I'm currently down today negative $3,000. And so if I click on the 1 year mark, I'll click on that just to show you guys. For the 1 year, basically I'm still down $10,000. As you guys can see that. Money that I've actually put into my Robinhood account is $214,000, and right now I'm sitting at $203,000. And keep in mind, I have a buying power here on the screen, $7,208. So that money's just kind of sitting there, which is weird because I hate doing that. But it's just sitting there right now. So overall, I'm down. I don't want to make it seem like, oh, I'm just balling out of control and investing in the stock market is just always green. That's not the case. All right. And then, of course, all time, I'll show you guys that. Like I said, I started investing back here in 2016. Don't pay attention to the total on the screen. It's just the total on the screen shows you how much money I've deposited in my Robinhood account. So like I said, I lost about $4,000 or so. And so I kind of restarted in 2020. All right. So I'm going to click on my Starwood Property Trust. I have a separate tab open for that. And I'll show you guys here that I've gotten a dividend payment. So real quickly, you guys can see here on the screen that my market value currently right now as we speak is $7,314. Overall, I'm up 37.15%, which is in my case $1,900, almost $2,000. I'm up overall, so that's clearly exciting, right? My average cost per share is $18.86. And right now it is $25.87 per share. So like that's pretty exciting, right? And so I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys that I got a dividend payment here, and I'm excited about finally shifting my way towards investing in stocks that pay dividend. Of course, I have a mixture, right? I have some growth stocks investments such as Apple and Tesla. Apple pays a dividend that's insanely small, but they pay dividends. Tesla does not pay dividends at all, so it's completely just based on buying at this price and hoping to sell at a higher price. Okay, so as you guys can see there, on April 15th, I have a dividend payment for $133.21. I'll click on that to show you guys the screen. So they have it here where the dividend payment was announced on March 30th. And at that time, I owned 277.53 shares. And Starwood Property Trust is paying 48 cents per share that I own, which is how they've come up with $133.21. Okay, so you take that money, well, at least I have it automatically enabled to do dividend reinvestment. So they take that money, the $133.21, and they purchase as many shares as they possibly can. And with the dividend reinvestment, it's automatic. You don't have to think about it. When I first started, I wanted to buy my shares again myself because, of course, I'm like, if I'm patient, I can catch it at a lower price. But the more I go on with the dividend investing type of stocks, I just get lazy. I'm just like, you know what? Let's just turn on the dividend reinvestment or DRIP, according to Robinhood. Dividend Reinvestment Plan is what DRIP stands for. So I just turned that on. And so they were able to fill the order to reinvest the $133.21. And that got me 5.21 shares at $21.52 per share, as you guys can see here on the screen. And right now the price is $25.87. So the shares got filled at $25.52 right here, right? So that's not bad. You know, I guess it got filled at a little lower price, which is okay. And so I'm excited. This particular company pays quarterly. So I will get a dividend payment from them every 3 months. So if I wanted to take the payment, which I got was $133, and divide that by 3, I'm making $44 every single month from Starwood Property Trust. And this is just one of the stocks that I own that pays dividends. This channel is just really about showing you guys what's possible. Now, I know when it comes to investing, there's just a lot of unknowns out there. I think one of the best things that you can do is just to take action and to get started. Now, when I say get started, that doesn't mean you blindly throw your money into the stock market. It just simply means that, first of all, take the steps to sign up for a brokerage account, whether it's Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, whatever your platform is. Just take the time to create your account. And then once you do, fund the account. That's going to be the first couple of things that you need to do just to kind of get the ball rolling. And then when it comes time to purchasing an actual stock or investing in a company, then you can do some research there. I personally would start with companies that we know are very, very solid and that will probably not file bankruptcy in our lifetime. And I'm saying our lifetime because, of course, you want it to be around when you're retired. And if you're lucky, the company will be around forever if you invest in the right company. So just take action and get started. Take the baby steps to get you to finally starting to invest and eventually getting some dividend payments. I would start with companies like Apple. I would start with maybe even Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, McDonald's. Those are AT&T, Verizon. Those are solid companies. And depending on what you're thinking about, some of those companies are never going to go bankrupt because, you know, consumers, right? People want their sodas. People want their McDonald's. So Walmart's. So it just kind of depends. I would just take action, like I said. But I wanted to make a quick video that's not so quick and show you guys. Once again, I'm giving you a screenshot of my last my portfolio currently right now. It's actually after hours right now. And so, like I said, for today, I'm down $3,100, but it is all good. I'm sure that's going to change moving forward. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.